Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant uh, graphics driver crashed. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then type device manager, and after that, once you're here, go to display adapters, right click and update first driver here, click browse my computer, then this one, now click next, and after that go to second one here, update driver, browse my computer, let me pick from a list, and then click next. And after that, click here and type game mode settings, enable this option, go to captures, turn off those two options here, and then go to Xbox game bar, turn it off. Now the last thing you need to do, type here run, and then type here %local app data %, scroll down until you find here Valorant, save it, config. Now delete crash report client, click delete, and then go back to this one, web cache, delete it, and after that your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.